Nailing down definite adverbs of frequency. Hello language enthusiasts. Welcome to another engaging episode of Grammar Fundamentals. Today, we will explore a special category of adverbs, namely definite adverbs of frequency. They play a crucial role in making our sentences more accurate and expressive, and they help to answer the question, how often? So, let's dive in. Definite adverbs of frequency, as the name suggests, provide a clear, specific frequency of occurrence. They are used when the exact frequency of an action is known and stated. These adverbs include words such as daily, weekly, monthly, annually, and so on. Their use helps to pinpoint exactly how often an event happens. For example, consider the sentence, I go to the gym daily. Here, the adverb daily specifies the frequency of the action, going to the gym, with exact certainty. Now, let's talk about where to place these adverbs in a sentence. Definite adverbs of frequency typically come after the verb be, but before other verbs. Look at these examples. She annually visits her hometown. Before the verb visits. I am often late for work. After the verb am. However, they can also be placed at the beginning or end of the sentence for emphasis. Annually, she visits her hometown. She visits her hometown annually. As we learn about definite adverbs of frequency, there are a few common mistakes to steer clear from. Firstly, avoid placing these adverbs between a verb and its object. Incorrect. She visits annually her hometown. Correct. She annually visits her hometown. Secondly, remember not to confuse definite adverbs of frequency with indefinite ones. While definite adverbs specify an exact frequency, daily, weekly, indefinite adverbs provide a general sense of frequency, always, often, rarely. And that wraps up our discussion on definite adverbs of frequency. Now, you should be able to use them confidently in your sentences, making your communication more precise. Remember, practice is key when mastering new concepts in language learning. So, don't hesitate to start crafting your own sentences using these adverbs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this session has been helpful. Keep learning and stay curious.